HOKA One One and the average guy. Even the box is colorful. Look at that. Time to fly. All right, guys, I love mail. Check that out. I love mail. And I'm excited about what's inside because I know exactly what it is. HOKA! Now, if you know anything about me, guys, if you've watched this channel, you know I am a sucker for marketing. And you also know I'm a sucker for a good cheeseburger. And over the winter, all of that marketing of different cheeseburgers has put up a spare tire around my midsection. So a couple of weeks ago, I started looking for ways. Now that the good weather is here, I started looking for ways to get back into shape. And one of my favorite ways is running. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below for the last pair of trail shoes that I had. They were Reebok ATRs, ATVs, whatever. They were awesome. But sucker for marketing. This company, HOKA, has caught my eye. They get you on Instagram. You know, those Instagram ads? And every time I turn around, I'd see another Instagram ad featuring these beauties. Look at that. The HOKA One One SpeedGoat 3. Check it out. Now, if you know anything about HOKA, you know that this design I have here is very tame compared to all the different flavors and varieties you can get this shoe in. But I am so excited about this SpeedGoat 3. Check it out. Just check out the heft, the thickness, and the cushioning of this sole. Now, I'm an old dude, so I value this brand, Vibram. The Vibram sole has been around for a long time, and it's quality. So you've got a Vibram sole, right? You have this nice cushion of beautiful comfort. You've got a water-resistant upper here. It looks like a weave or like a mesh, but it's actually, it feels like it would have some waterproof or water-resistant properties, characteristics. So I'm excited to get out on the trails this spring and summer and trim my physique. But this is just a quick unboxing. I will give you a full review of my HOKA One One SpeedGoat 3s. Too sweet. But I am so damn excited about it. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. This is like an old school unboxing. I'm in my car. I just got the mail. Check that out. Look at that sole. HOKA One One SpeedGoat 3 review coming soon. I hope you guys are excited and happy as I am on this beautiful spring day. It's like 70 degrees here in New York today. Maybe I'll get out and take a run. See, when I think about this shoe, HOKA One One, I think about Hawaii. I think about running free on a sandy beach in Hawaii. And if you've ever been to Hawaii, you'll know why HOKA One One, why they use so many vibrant colors. Now, this is very muted here. You've got your black and your gray, a little light gray, and just a splash of yellow, right? But the colors in Hawaii, guys, you'll see colors in Hawaii, the vibrancy of colors that you will never see anywhere else. When you're shopping around on the HOKA site, you will see a myriad of different colors. But I opted for the conservative look because that's just kind of how I am. But if I like these, maybe next time I'll get the black upper with the lime green sole. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, which is probably going to be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, guys, remember. Steve W.
You better remember. Keep pushing.
Play. And I'll see you next time. Look at this. Beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe. Look at his shoe. Look at the sole on that shoe. HOKA One One and the average guy.